Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to block sponsored content and Facebook Reels. That's actually annoying. Yeah, sometimes it's become or it went out of control. So you are scrolling on reels on Facebook, for example, and there are several and multiple sponsored contents appear to you while scrolling. So to stop that from happening, I will show you how. I just want you to go into your Facebook app, and once you launch it, I want you to go into your profile picture on the top right corner or the bottom right corner. It depends on which phone you have, either iOS or iOS or Android. So let's go, tap on it, and here I want to scroll down until you can see the settings and privacy. Tap on it. Alright, then settings, and right here I want to go through the account censor right here on the top. So once you are here, what I want you to do is to scroll down until you can see the ad preferences right here. Tap on it, and after that I want you to stay on customize ads and scroll down until you are on the advertisers you saw ads from. Tap on see all. Okay, and what I want to do right here is to pick them one by one, to tap on them one by one. For example, I want to go through that one. Alright, and right here what I want to do is to go into this hide ads. Tap on it so you can unhide it whether or whenever you want. Alright, so you will be going into each one of them and hide, and you will follow the list. Anyways, thank you for watching and goodbye.